Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how we can actually create a budget for ourselves with paid advertising and using affiliate marketing. So I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you guys a little bit more. But this is revealing it all. So if you guys are interested in actually creating a budget for yourself, ready to scale up, then watch till the very end. Awesome guys, here I am. And before I go ahead and share with you anything else, I want to mention and ask you guys to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. What I've been noticing actually over the past few weeks that I've been posting videos, I post 3 times a week. So if you're here for the first time, welcome to the channel. And like I said, hit that subscribe button specifically because a lot of the subscribers that a lot of the views that I do get on this channel are people who come and meet me for the first time. So if you want to actually get the content that I'm sharing, then that is where you can do it because I post 3 times a week. I talk about specifically affiliate marketing, but basically skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. That's what I'm using. I'm using affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job, guys, just to let you know. And I, do this on the side as a side hustle. And I follow the strategy that you guys can see on your screen right now. Now, as I said, I'm going to get into how to create a paid budget for yourself, a paid plan for yourself so that you can scale up your affiliate marketing business. So actually anything that you do, if you understand the mindset behind this strategy, that's going to help you. And if you stick to the very end, I'm not only going to share with you how you can get this strategy, but I'm also going to be giving you guys absolutely free funnel that you can use to start to generate a cash flow for yourself. I will not guarantee, and no one can guarantee you the success with anything that you do online unless you put in the work and the effort, but it is possible, it is doable. And this is what I'm doing on the side as well. So if you guys are interested, stay till the very end. You will get the free information as I mentioned. So let's go ahead and talk about the strategy just to give you guys an understanding. I have spoken about this in multiple videos in the past. I personally got into affiliate marketing and I didn't want to spend time with creating content, basically using social media as the main marketing message, but I wanted to use it as a documentation of another strategy that I'm following. So I'm spending less time on my social media marketing, and it's not obligation that I need to post a video every single day and stuff like that for me to actually get sales and a cash flow into my business because I follow this strategy. So the first step, it's a very simple methodology behind it, mindset behind it. The first step is related to cash flow. So how do I spend the least amount of money on a monthly basis but generate a consistent amount of cash flow? And I post that every single month, also an update. So if you guys have not seen the last update, go back to last week's video and you'll be able to see actually the entire month of January's update. We're in February, so it's good to check that update. So it's recent. That being said, after step 1, we go on to step 2, which is a long-term skill-based generation of your assets and going forward with affiliate marketing. This is the foundation, this is the structure, this is the mindset, this is how we work. And I have been doing this for the entire amount of 2023, the entire year, and it has been generating me personally $500 to $1,000 every single month. As I mentioned, that is the whole point of this, to have a side hustle and a side income with spending the least amount of time online. That's the main aim for me, and that's why I personally use paid advertising. I do not use free advertising to build my business. I use paid advertising to build my business, but I am that. If you do not know what paid advertising is, if you do not want to get into paid advertising, if you don't have the right mindset of consistency of at least 12 months, in my opinion, to see whether this is whether this is for you or not, 12 months is what you need, then do not go into paid advertising. Start with organic traffic methods, which is advertising methods, which is basically creating your profile, building your audience, having a community, so that then when you do get into affiliate marketing, you are successful with it from the get-go. But it takes a lot of building up on organic traffic to be able to actually start to generate consistent leads every single day. This strategy that I'm doing is a plug-in strategy. We plug into a method. Yes, we're focusing on the skill sets. Yes, we need to keep at it for the next 12 months, but the time I spend is literally 30 minutes to an hour every single day with this strategy. So how do I create a budget? I use step 1 to create a budget. This step right here basically focuses on creating a cash flow. Now, when you have a budget, and this budget is not from my pocket, this budget is coming from the cash flow that I am generating. Let me repeat that again. This budget that is coming from a cash flow that I'm generating. And then I use that budget to be able to pay for my advertising to my landing page. That is how it works. Okay, this is literally the structure that I follow. Now I go into detail in my course, which is called Affiliate Marketing Essentials, and you'll be able to find a link to Affiliate Marketing Essentials in the description of this video. It goes through everything. It goes through what is affiliate marketing, the phases of affiliate marketing, what is the strategy that we're using, the importance of cash flow, the strategy and resources. I keep updating this information, by the way, and it's a one-time purchase in case you want to get it. And I'm going to be updating it for life. You get access to me on my Facebook community. I'm focused and I'm there for you guys. Every Sunday we do a training as well. So all of this is shared right here. And you can go through the entire affiliate marketing essentials. So that link will be to this page right here in the description of this video. You can just basically put in your details and you can then get affiliate marketing essentials right there. Okay. Now what I want to show you is how I leverage Warrior Plus to first and foremost generate that cash flow. And secondly, I'm not only generating that cash flow, I'm using it as my main budget to be able to then purchase more and have more advertising going to my business. So if you guys haven't checked out, 2 weeks ago, I did a video on paid advertising. So as I said there, and I'm going to say this again here, I use solo ads, but I also use Google Paper ads and so on and so forth with Warrior Plus. How do I do that? I basically have a funnel in place that has a landing page that creates then the connection with the person through a bridge page, and then goes to an offer that I own. And with that offer that I own, then I make a commission, I generate a commission and a sale from that. So that's the entire structure behind it. And then at the same time, I'm collecting email addresses and promoting other offers on Warrior Plus through this series that help and support my primary offer. I'm never, ever, ever going to first and foremost share something that I don't own. And I'm never, ever going to be, not sharing an opportunity or sharing an offer, a product, a training, whatever it is that doesn't support the primary purpose of gaining skill sets. So if, for example, I share with you a product on email marketing, it's because I own it and it's helped me with my skill sets. If I'm sharing with you something related to affiliate marketing, you're getting that because I own it and it makes sense and it's helping me. So anything that's helping me, I'm sharing it basically with my list, and then I generate commissions and sales over there. If I just take this strategy, imagine this: I'm creating a cash flow from step one, and that is being basically a budget for myself. I then have, and then I go to, and I'm going to show you guys this very openly. Then I go to my traffic sources. So let me just do this. There we go. I go to my traffic sources right here. And then from these, and these are tested traffic sources, guys. These are traffic sources that I personally purchased. I keep purchasing them and it's just working for me. I'm getting sales and everything. So that's why I come back to this. It's all shared right here. It goes from low, let's say a low budget to a high budget. So as you go in your journey, you can use these for years, to be honest, these traffic sources, because you go from one stage to the next stage to the next stage, and based on which one fits you best, you can continue and scale up completely using this. So I basically go here. And a nice advantage is traffic number source, for example, number 5, which is not in Warrior Plus, it's in Udemy solo ads. And I did a couple of videos on the last time related to that. You can see my recommended solo ad vendors here, which I will keep updating, changing, and so on and so forth. So at any point of time, if you want to know with Udemy solo ads how it works and what are my recommended purchases, recommended buyers, then this is how you can see right here. That just is something I wanted to share with you. These are the sources. So I go to these sources, and all of these sources, by the way, have their main, let's say, collection or payment hosted on Warrior Plus itself. So what I basically do is, and let me go ahead and show you guys, is I utilize, and now I'm creating a budget for myself, right? So I utilize my earnings in Warrior Plus to be able to purchase traffic, and you can see right here, I purchased 500 clicks recently. I purchased another 100 clicks, 500 clicks, 500 clicks, 500 clicks, 300, 500, 300. And the whole of last year, I've been doing this as well. This is how I'm creating a budget for myself. So I've spent, let me put it this way. If I go back, I've spent over, sorry, let me just go back. There we have it here. I've spent $2,972 by the time of when you're seeing this video on traffic, okay, on advertising, on paid advertising. And these $2,972 has not come from my pocket. It's come from following this strategy. So this strategy basically has created a budget for me to continuously buy advertising to my landing page that and to my asset, to my funnel basically, which generates then commissions from me additionally. So this keeps the ball rolling, this keeps the flow, and that's the main thing. Advertising, guys, with affiliate marketing, we have two skill sets, okay? Just two skill sets. Advertising keeps the ball rolling, and copywriting helps with the conversions. Copywriting on your landing pages, copywriting on your emails, copywriting on your sales pages, that helps the conversion rate increase. But the advertising is something that you need to have on a continuous basis, always going through, so that you can start to then generate a consistent cash flow, predictable cash flow, strategic cash flow, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And this is how we're creating a budget for ourselves. So the whole of 2023, I personally just followed this strategy, documented my journey, kept through it. And now what you have is the entire course that you can find in the description of this video is exactly related to the strategy. I go into detail, I share with you how to set this up, and within the course itself, I'm giving you this step number 2 absolutely for free. Guys, what do I mean by that? I'm giving you an entire funnel that you can use for whatever offer you want. You will get a funnel that has my video, giving you guys a training. If you want to replace that video, and if you want to use the same offer that I've been getting results, great, you can use the same offer that I'm getting results. If you want to change that video, do your own training, add your own information, great, you can do that as well. But you have basically a done for you funnel which you can set up for yourself. Now, obviously, I do not give the emails out to you guys. That's something that I want you to create and want you to learn the skill sets from Affiliate Marketing Essentials, so that you apply those skill sets to the emails and then help and start building your business. Why? Because as I said, this channel was created to help you guys with the skills, so give you guys the skills. And I'm utilizing these skills as well. Put it into practice, take action. It's not going to happen overnight. Give yourself 12 months, consistently follow the strategy. But as I said, I've spent almost $3,000, guys, on traffic, and that has not come from my pocket. That has come from following the strategy. So if you want to create a solid structure for yourself, a solid, predictable amount that is coming through, then you can as well. Okay, think about it that way. Create that budget and reinvest in yourself always. Do not put it 100% back in. Do not put it 20% back in. Do 80-20% split, so that you're able to maintain your business and then also pocket. This way you create a budget for yourself with paid advertising that is scalable, because you're getting a return on your amount that you're putting in, and then you're increasing that. Okay, it takes time to build up, but it does build up. You need to spend to earn. This is how we're actually doing it with paid advertising. With free advertising, again, I said this is not for everybody. Okay, this strategy is not for everybody. It's going to be for specific people who have the right mindset. If you have the right mindset, then click the link below and get it. If you do not have the right mindset, then just stick to free methods of advertising to be able to then build it. If you want this free funnel and then stick to free methods as well, link is in the description. You'll get access to the entire training, and then it's your choice if you want to go to the free method or if you want to go with paid method. That's really up to you. Guys, thanks for watching. I wanted to share with you exactly how I'm personally creating this continuous advertising budget for myself. I'm following Affiliate Marketing Essentials strategy, and I've been purchasing, let's look at it, but I think I've been purchasing around 140 plus 69 plus another 140, so around $300 per month budget on just traffic and spending right now. And that's going to be increasing. That's going to be increasing to, I hope, to around $500 per month and $1,000 per month, so that I've reached a target. I have a target here of having 10K monthly advertising hits. That means I have 10,000 people going to my funnel every single month. That's my aim. That's the goal. That's what I'm going to be doing until I reach there. It's just focused on that. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. This is a Friday's video, so I hope you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you did like this video. And if you want to get the free funnel, as I said, the link below to this page is there. Feel free to click on it, and you will be able and enter your details, and you'll be able to get Affiliate Marketing Essentials. The entire free funnel is there, and my support in my Facebook group. Have a nice day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. I wanted to share with you guys the strategy and show you how I created my personal budget. If you have any questions, leave them below. I will get to them. And if you need anything else, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true. See you on the next one.